This is the 2021 Thor Vegas 24.1 floor plan. This is a small Class A motorhome. One of the benefits to this coach is you kind of have the Class A drive with big windshield up front, but you're narrower and it's a smaller overall chassis, which makes it easier to drive. It's kind of like driving a Class C, but you don't have that big overhang in the front. Here's a look at your storage compartments on the curb side of the coach. There's this one, and it has a pass-through at the top. This one, it's pretty wide. And then this is a really large storage space. It passes all the way through on the back, and you have two more access doors, one on the other side and one on the back of the coach. Here's your rear bumper, ladder. There's that other access door. In your hitch, you have an 8,000-pound hitch. Here's the other rear access door, and here's your own-in 4.0 kilowatt generator. There's your fuel tank flush and your plug for your 30 amp. Here's your water connection. That's an exterior shower. Here's your wastewater holding tank and sewer outlet connection, your propane tank, and then here is another storage bin, and there's the other pass-through side that we looked at earlier. This is on the driver's side. Here we are on the interior of the 24.1 Vegas. Here's your TV. This is your coach monitoring system where you can check all your tank levels, your battery levels. Probably has your slide out controls. There's your sofa that converts into a bed. Cabinetry. You have a drop-down bed that comes down from the ceiling. Here's your cockpit. There's a desk area. Your backup monitor will be on that screen. And then all of these little holes in the floor, they're not actually holes, they look black, but they are for putting your table so you can move it around the coach. You have a convection microwave, trash can storage, some drawers, your sink, and gas stove top. Lots of storage up there too. You have a 2-door gas electric refrigerator. This closet doubles as a mirror. If you open it, you can see those are your 2 tables, and there's the legs. Here's the bedroom. You can slide out. There's a platform that goes in between that you can slide out, and you put that cushion that's back there so you can have one full bed instead of 2 twins. And then there's quite a few storage cabinets in here. It's your bedroom TV. It has a tankless water heater, the Truma. There's USB plugs. Here's your restroom, and you actually can make it quite big when you open the double doors. You seal off the bedroom here, and you seal off the living room here. A medicine cabinet as well. Thanks for watching my quick video on the 2021 Thor Vegas 24.1. If you have any questions, give me a call at 1-800-576-1921 or send me an email to Vicki@DeMartini.com. See you next time.